So welcome guys to my another new video. So in this video I will explain you the modifications what I have made to increase the user experience. Okay, so in my previous video I have explained you the whole Django project. I have taken like there are a couple of DOM elements in front of you. Okay, so how it is working, how they are working, I have explained you everything. So basically I have created a project where I have used Ajax. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to upload a CSV file, then upload. After uploading, you will see in the lower part there is a drop down. Okay, in the drop down you will see like what like I am going to upload a CSV file. Suppose iris dataset. So in that case, the target column will be like the three categories are there. Okay, flower categories are there in the target column, so the unique target columns will be fetched and added to the drop down. So when I'm selecting a particular category from these options, drop down options, and click analyze report, so you will the records is coming. Okay, in the previous video the records are coming below this form. Okay, so that's what I have explained you with the help of along with the code also, like how it is working. Okay, in my first part. So this is going to be the second part. There will be another part where I will, this is basically I'm developing a machine learning project. So basically I will integrate the machine learning model, also some classification, one of the particular classification model where you will see a prediction button will be also be there. When I will click that prediction button, there will be according to the number of columns in the data set, the number of data fields or the form fields will be created, and when I will provide the numbers or whatever data we will give in the text in those fields, according to that it will predict the particular category. So basically for that I have to train the model in my Django project, so and also save it into the pickle file. So I will do it accordingly. Okay, in my next part you will see, you will get that modification. Okay, so but the purpose of making this video is to explain you the model step by step. Okay, so explain you the modification step by step what I have created, modified to increase the user experience or to enhance the user experience. Okay, so on the project I have explained you in the previous video only, which is uploaded in YouTube. Just go and watch that, then come to this video. Okay, you will understand perfectly. Okay, so like what I will do, first of all, like I will go for like explaining you the modification step by step. First of all, in my previous video there are no response messages, but here I am printing the response messages. For every operation a response message will come and then vanish. Okay, so if I like still, and if the message is error, okay, it will come in red color, and if the message is successful or success anything, so it will come in green color. Okay, so see, for upload CSV file I haven't choose any file. Okay, so if I go for clicking upload, so you will see a message will come, no file uploaded, this updation, this is the first updation. Okay, and here also I have printed, after clicking the upload button with the help of JavaScript, I have printed the response object which is coming from the views.py. So if you expand this response message, no, nothing is there. See, message no file uploaded and status is false. Okay, so if we go to the code and views.py, you will see from the file upload I am sending the message. Okay, file uploaded successfully, but though there is no file I have chosen, so that's why it is coming like no file uploaded, and again this object is coming. So I'm printing the object after clicking the upload button. I'm showing you. Okay, this is the DOM element I'm accessing with the help of jQuery and Ajax. I have created the JavaScript part. So here you will see this console.log response. It will provide what are the response that views.py is sending to the Ajax. Okay, and console the type of the response also, that is object. Now I will show you by choosing a file. Suppose the iris dataset I will choose. Wait a minute. Okay, suppose iris dataset is there, I will choose. Okay, so if I open iris.csv is there, when I will click upload, okay, now there is another click upload, you will see a success message is there with green color. Now my second updation is, you will see like in the previous video select category is not disabled. Okay, it is there. Okay, now but until and unless you are uploading the CSV file, till then the category is disabled. See, upload a CSV file first, then analyze button also. These two DOM elements also being disabled. So whenever the user will reload the user will enter the URL at the beginning only, this will be select category will be disabled until and unless you select a file and then upload. Okay, so how it is disabled I have done from the CSV, from the HTML part. You will see I have a tag like where I will using the drop down tag, that is uh, category drop down. Okay, so I have done disabled. Okay, see, disabled here also I have done disabled. Okay, this is for the drop down part, and for the analyze button also I have just disabled. Okay, at the beginning only when the user will enter the URL, okay, this part will be drop down. So the server is running here. Okay, I'm showing you previously before starting the video only I have run the server. Okay, so no file is chosen. Again, I will choose select the iris dataset, and when I will click upload, you will see the data is coming here and success message will be there, and the this drop down button, drop down field, and this analyze report will be update activated. Okay, means allowed, not enabled. Okay, so if I click upload, file uploaded successfully, and it is also going, okay, vanishing. Okay, and now here we have the category. It is fetching the unique categories from the target level, which is at the last column, and file name is iris dataset. It will be stored inside the media folder. Message file uploaded successfully. Let's go to my views.py and I will show you. Okay, in the views.py you will see iris dataset. Okay, what I am doing is, see, here uploading file, I'm accessing the uploading file. I have explained everything in the previous video, then also I'm explaining you save path. I am referring to this media folder and this file, and then what I'm doing, I'm saving it the file, and then target column is there. Okay, I'm specifying the level or species column. Okay, now species column, this iris setosa, okay, this iris versicolor, this last species column. Okay, so now I have what I am sending, status equals to true, category equals to what category holds. Category holds the unique categories. Okay, three category of flowers it will hold, and message file uploaded successfully. Now I will show you how this message is being printed here and why it is vanishing after some time. Okay, so if I go to script, okay, you will see, and also I will show you if I go to script, and you will see show messages here. If it is wrong, okay, no file uploaded is there, response dot message. Okay, with the help of response one message, no file is uploaded. But if any file is uploaded, it will show a green, the message in green, that is file uploaded successfully. Now why it is vanishing, I am calling the show message JavaScript function. Okay, so if I go to this show message JavaScript function, you will see, if I expand this function, you will see for this reason you are seeing that you are seeing this message also, and it is vanishing also. Okay, for this JavaScript function show message. Okay, what I have used delay 2000. Okay, that means after some time the message will be vanished, and you can give two parameters. Okay, the message will be there and the color will be there. Okay, so when I am printing the message, see, when I am calling the show message and printing the message, I am providing two parameters, response dot message, whatever the response is coming as a message, response is coming in the form of JSON response. So this is basically a JSON object where we are using the key value pairs. You will see the message we are sending, this message we are sending, and so response is basically something like this which holds the data. Okay, if the response is false, then it will return, means it will stop the server. Okay, so after that I am calling this and I am passing the response message. Okay, whatever message I want to print. Okay, and then this green. Okay, the color also I am providing. Okay, okay, I am providing two attributes, no, not two attributes, I'm providing two arguments. Okay, response dot message and green or red, whatever one, for error red and for green this. Okay, now again another thing I want to show you. After reload, again I will reload this. Okay, so see, I have not chosen any file. So the next update is this whole DOM element, the drop down and analyze report is also disabled. So when I will click choose, okay, so I have chosen the file. Okay, so this is from the beginning only, from the HTML part this is disabled. but this is activating after upload. Clicking upload, this is activating. Okay, if the file is there, this is activating after upload. So how it is uploading? With the help of JavaScript AJAX. Okay, if I upload, you will see this will be and like enabled, okay, or activated. So if I expand, you will see there are multiple options are there. The unique categories which are there in the dataset is there, okay, fetched from the target level. Okay, if I choose versicolor, okay, you can also click analyze report. Now how it is enabling, okay, I will show you. Okay, if I go to this VS Code and my JavaScript, okay, after clicking this up button, you will see this here. Okay, I'm doing the enable part. Okay, enable drop down analyze button. So disabled, it is disabled by default and false. I'm clicking false means it is now enabled after uploading. Also here also analyze button, same thing, disabled and false means after upload, clicking upload button, the both drop down and analyze button will be activated. So I am accessing the both the DOM elements. Okay, so this is the ID of the DOM elements, okay, which I have declared in the HTML file. See here, yes, category drop down is there, and also for analyze report, this ID analyze button is there. Okay, so now, so to updation what I have made, I have explained you. Okay, now the next thing is which you will see, this is very interesting. Okay, if you go for analyze button, you will see the message again, see the message again, and you will see which you are like which I am showing in my previous video, like that way only, with the help of in the with the like in table, like the records have came. Okay, so corresponding to the ID satosa. Okay, the updation what I have done, so basically I have changed the headings. Okay, so table headings. Okay, so in the previous, like in iris dataset, what is there, sepal lane, sepal way, it is not, I want to customize it. For customization, I have written in a perfect way. Okay, I have customized the table heading. Now next main important thing is I have implemented pagination. Okay, how I have implemented pagination? See here, you will get the pagination option. You don't have to scroll down for seeing all the records like related to ID statusa. If there are for ID statusa, if there are suppose 50 records are there, you don't have to scroll. It is divided into like pagination. What pagination? It divides the records into 5 pages, 10 records in one page. Okay, first page 10 records, you will see next, second 10 record, third like next 10 records, next 10 records, like this way, and up to page number 5 it is there. Okay, so now how I have implemented, I will show you. And I have the fifth modification I've done is, though I have selected the category, there is no need for showing the category table or the level column. So that's why I have removed this. Okay, so how I have removed the category column. Okay, how I have changed the this table heading, and how I have the main important part. Okay, this pagination, how I have implemented this, I will show you. Great. Let's go. So in views.py, basically, this is basically for analyze report. When I am clicking the analyze report, this part will be executed. So I am using Paginator. Okay, so which is an inbuilt module in the Django. I am updating, importing it from this part, Django code.paginator. Okay. So now in this, I am what I am doing. Okay, I am like columns. Okay, I am like inserting the columns into the list. Okay, and this is basically used for manipulating the table heading. What you are seeing, sepal lane, sepal width. Like instead of this, I have written this. Okay, now how I am displaying? I need to send it to the Ajax as a response. Okay, so that Ajax can show. Okay, update the HTML part. Okay, for that reason, what I have done is, okay, here you will see a display column. Display column is there. Okay, whatever column heading is there, it will fetch that. Okay, whatever modification I have done or manipulation I have done for the table heading, it will fetch that, and we will send this to the Ajax. Okay, with the help of JSON response. Now paginator is basically, it is telling there are two statements. These two codes talks about the pagination part. Okay, paginator records means whatever records are there. Okay, according to the, like we are comparing here, whatever the user select a category, like based on that category, the those records will be fetched. Okay, then after that, then like records will be 10 records per page. Okay, it is telling that 10 records per page will be shown. Okay, now I am creating a page object, and this is the attribute. For paginator there are multiple attributes. This is basically used for getting the current page. Okay, so in the script, whenever page, in what page you will go, okay, in what page, suppose you will go to page 3, so the request is coming directly to the AJAX, okay, to JavaScript AJAX. So from this it will send the page. Okay, I will show you, I'm showing you, this is up button. Okay, so upload button. If I go for analyze button, so no, in case of analyze button, sorry, in case of analyze button I'm using page loader. Okay, page loader, so that I don't need to write same code for every pages. Okay, for page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, I don't need to write. Okay, I will call this. Okay, by default page number 1. Okay, I'm showing it takes 2 arguments. So if I expand the page loader, you will see, yes, in the Ajax part, in the page, I am sending the current page. For the current page, it is receiving it. Okay, it is receiving the current page, and it will send those 10 records for that page. Okay, see, it is sending. Okay, list of page objects means those send records. Okay, to the Ajax part, to the JavaScript this success part, and this is responsible for accepting the response from that is coming from the views.py in the form of JSON response. Okay, then it will manipulate the HTML part. Okay, I have explained you in the previous like in the previous video only, which is already uploaded. Just go and see that, watch that. Okay, in this video I will talk about whatever modification I have done. Okay, now after that, so I have told you for paginator there are multiple attributes. This is basically used for getting the current page. Okay, so records, I'm sending the records. Okay, yes, these records I'm sending. Okay, so now for like the based on the page I'm sending the records. Okay, so now current page, current, there is also a attribute called number. For current page it will send the current page. To for total page it will send the total page. Okay, for has next means whenever we will go to the next page, this will send the record for next page. Okay, next page. And for previous page also this is there. Whenever I will click the previous button, it will go and send the response for like records for previous page. Okay, the message report analyzed successfully, this will be shown in one time only. Okay, okay, I will drop this whole project in the form of zip in the description. You will you will see must. Okay, okay, so now I will explain you like how we are dealing with this button. Okay, pagination button. Okay, so after getting the response, I am yes, this is the pagination buttons. You will must see must. Okay, carefully you will see. Okay, you can understand. Okay, so I have created a pagination with a empty string. Okay, response dot has previous. Okay, so for has previous what I have done is, so has previous basically a by default attribute which I am sending is from here only, from the views only. Okay, if I go to like for has previous, so whatever, like whenever we will go to the previous page we will go, so pagination, so this. Okay, so what it does, response dot current page, it will like fetch the current page minus 1. So the current page is there, so it will go for minus 1. Okay, means previous page. Okay, so uh and for next page, so what it will do, so it will go for has next. Okay, it will go for current page plus 1, means it will show the next page. And for this current page and out of total pages, this will be shown by this. I have just manipulated the string. Okay, the pagination buttons. Okay, I have manipulated the pagination buttons. Okay, now so this function I have explained you the pagination button. Okay, so next is I will tell you, like you, if you go to the last page, suppose previous page, you will see the next next button will be vanished. See, sorry, the previous button will be vanished. Okay, and if you go to the last page, okay, if you go to the last page, the next button will be vanished. How it is implementing, so I will show you. I have used delegation. Okay, event delegation. So if you go click here, you will see event delegation is there. Okay, so for event delegation, what I have done on click basically used for when we like the buttons are generating dynamically. Okay, for that reason event delegation occurs. So you will see it will the next will generate like execute dynamically. Okay, and will be shown dynamically. Okay, so here. Okay, so for this reason, this event delegation is done. Okay, so I am accessing the page button. Okay, which is a class. Okay, and this is refers to the which button I will choose. For that reason, that function will be executed. Okay, based on that button click and data we are accepting the page and load report page. Okay, whatever for what page. Okay, it like suppose I am going to the page number 4. Okay, so if I click next, okay, for what page? Page number 4. Okay, page number 4, load report will be executed for page number 4. Now load report will be executed for page number 4. This show success message. Okay, this is basically used for showing the success message at the first time, not for every pages. Okay, now page equals to 1. Okay, now after that whatever page I want to show, it will send the response to the views.py. So this page record I like, suppose page number 4 records I want. Okay, it will give the page number 4 record. Okay, see here it will give the page number 4 record. Okay, after that it will send the response directly to JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript will show like manipulate the HTML template. See, manipulates the HTML template. So how it is manipulating, I have used IDs for every DOM elements. Okay, okay, manipulate the HTML template, and then you will like the user will see the response directly to the browser. Okay, so this much I have explained you what are the updates or modifications I have done to enhance the user experience. Okay, so till now wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye.